the baker. I wanna take her hand and hold it close to my heart. I wanna savor this sweet flavor. Can't you see that we were just meant to be? I wonder why this feels so right. When she holds me, I fit in just fine. Adjust my bow just to show I wanna kiss you beneath the mistletoe. I know it might be a little wild to think that this could be. You know I have this royal smile and lips that taste so sweet. You made the perfect me with all your favorite things. Now I'm in love with the baker. I wanna take her hand and hold it close to my heart. I wanna savor this sweet flavor. Can't you see that we were just meant to be? good or bad.